In this video, we're going to talk about material balance. This one involves mixing. Two methanol water mixtures are contained in separate flasks. The first mixture contains 40.08% methanol and the second contains 70.08% methanol. If 200 of the first mixture is combined with 150 of the second, what are the mass and composition of the product? To solve this problem, first we have to draw our diagram. Have our mixer. Our first mixture, which is 200 grams, and it consists of 40.08% methanol. We can transform that into this. And the remaining 60 parts would be water. Our second mixture, 150 grams, which consists of 70% methanol. The rest is H2O. We are asked to find the mass of our product, the composition of methanol, and the composition of water. First, we have our overall material balance, which I will write as OMB. In this problem, our input will be equal to the output. So we just put 200 plus 150. That will be our product. And our product will give us 350 grams. Next step, we have the methanol balance. Again, input is equal to the output. So, to get the composition of the methanol in the product, multiply 200 by the composition in the first mixture, which is 0.4, plus the second mixture, 150, multiplied by the composition, which is 0.7, plus, equals our product and the composition of methanol. Our answer in this equation would be 0.5286. We have the composition for methanol. The next one would be the water balance. We can simply put the water balance as 1 minus the composition of methanol, since it only consists of two mixtures. That would give us 0.4714. Composition of H2O is 0.4714. And we have our answers.